TeshaMiller has sued TVJ for a particular reference to him.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
In a correspondence dated March 20, sent via email to the Director of Programs at TVJ Newsroom, TeshaMiller's attorney, Bert Samuels, of the law firm Knight, Jr. and Samuels, requested a public apology for his client. The letter, titled TVJ's Primetime 7 p.m. newscast on March 19, 2019, read as follows. Kindly be advised that we act on behalf of TeshaMiller. In your newscast on the 19th of March 2019, reporting on the court proceedings of the state's application to try our client by video link, the news as read by your presenter, Janela Perseus, referred to our client TeshaMiller as a well-known Spanish Town gang leader. This was said 14 minutes and 57 seconds into the newscast. The undersigned was contacted by Mr. Miller, who was most distressed and who was asked that we demand an immediate retraction and apology of any classification of him as a well-known Spanish Town gang leader. For your information, may we remind you that there is indeed such a classification. However, it is only properly addressed and referred to persons who have been convicted under the Criminal Justice Suppression of Criminal Organizations Act of 2014, more popularly known as the anti-gang legislation. We ask that your retraction and apology be given equal prominence as the libelous reference to our client in your newscast of the 19th of March 2019 as gang leader. May we also remind you that in law, an apology serves to mitigate damages only. However, where demanded and not given, damages are aggravated. TVJ subsequently failed to issue the requested apology, and as such, the lawsuit was filed. Court documents suggest that the claimant in the case is seeking the following: 1. Damages. 2. Damages for slander. 3. Vindicatory damages. 4. Interest at such rate and for such period as the Honorable Court deems just. 5. Interest pursuant to the Law Reform Miscellaneous Provisions Act, or at such rate for such a period as the court sees fit. 6. Costs. And 7. Any such further relief as this Honorable Court may deem fit. Bert Samuels also said that according to their instructions, Miller is a welder.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.